This is the video for programming language and design concepts. RMR is Ratnayaka, MM Senanayaka, SAMAN Senanayaka, LAAT Janananda are our group members. This video contains with how to work with Microsoft SQL Server 2005. And I explain about SQL history. The origins of the SQL take us back to 1970, when in the IBM laboratories, new database software was created, System R, and to manage the data stored in System R, the SQL language was created. At first, it was called SQL, a name which is still used to an alternative pronunciation for SQL, but was later renamed to just SQL. I would like to explain about Microsoft SQL Server 2005. Microsoft SQL Server 2005 is codenamed Yukon, released in October 2005, is the successor to SQL Server 2000. It included native support for managing XML data. SQL Server 2005 is comprehensive, integrated data management and analysis software that enables organizations to reliably manage mission-critical information and confidently run today's increasingly complex business applications. We can list the increment of MS SQL Server 2005. Year 2000, MS SQL Server 2000 version 8.0 was released, which codename is Shiloh, and year 2003, MS SQL Server 2000 64-bit edition version 8.0 was released, which codename is Liberty. Now we introduce year 2005, MS SQL Server 2005 version 9.0 was released, which codename is Yukon. Solutions of the MS SQL Server 2005. First one is business intelligence. Second one is highly availability. Third one is performance and scalability. Fourth one is security. Fifth one is manageability. And last, developer productivity. This is the SQL Server full text search service architecture. Now we consider about how to install in SQL Server 2005. Before install SQL Server 2005, the important thing is the SQL Server 2005 Express will not install without having the .NET installed in your PC. Please make sure you install the .NET pre-produced into SQL Server 2005. Now you can see the step-by-step procedure of installing Microsoft SQL Server 2005. Install first the Microsoft SQL Server configuration tools by going to the saved directory of download installation files or installation from the manual directory. Double click the SQL expr.exe. Click the checkbox to accept the end user license agreement, then click Next and click Install. Then the SQL pre-required component will be installed. Once the required components are installed, click Next. The setup will confirm a system configuration check. And now you will be welcome to Microsoft SQL Server installation wizard and click Next. Wait until the system configuration checking gets completed, then click Next to continue. Enter the name and company for registration information. Then click Next to proceed. Then the authentication mode page proceeded. Select Mix Mode. Mix Mode means SQL and Windows authentication. Then supply a password on both boxes. Take note of this password and click Next to proceed. For the error and usage report setting page, uncheck the two boxes so it would not send any error and feature usage report to Microsoft or your corporate error reporting server. Click Next to proceed. And click Install to proceed. Then click Next when the configuration has been completed. Then setup has completed. Click Finish. Check if it's successfully installed by going to Microsoft SQL Server 2005 and the configuration tools appears contain the three components: SQL Server Configuration Manager, SQL Server Error and Usage Reporting, and SQL Surface Area Configuration. If you follow this step-by-step procedure, you can easily install Microsoft SQL Server 2005 to your computer.